Today, we're taking a deep dive into a world that most of us will never see, a world that operates in the deepest shadows of the internet. We're forecasting the future, peering into what the dark web might look like in the year 2026. It's a landscape that is constantly shifting, evolving at a blistering pace, and what we're about to uncover is both fascinating and genuinely unsettling. So, buckle up, because this journey into the digital underworld is going to be a wild ride. First, let's set the stage. For years, the dark web was known for its sprawling, open marketplaces, digital bazaars, where you could find almost anything imaginable. Think of them as the sketchy, unregulated Amazons of the internet. But by 2026, this model is becoming a relic of the past. Why? Because these open markets were too vulnerable. Law enforcement agencies got incredibly good at infiltrating them, shutting them down, and arresting their administrators. The fall of giants like Alphabet and Silk Road sent a clear message: being a big, public target is a death sentence. So what's replacing them? The new trend is exclusivity. We're seeing the rise of invite-only, heavily vetted communities. Getting in isn't as simple as finding a link. You need a referral, a digital voucher from a trusted member. This creates a much smaller, more resilient network of criminals who trust each other, or at least trust the vetting process. It's like a secret society, and this exclusivity makes it exponentially harder for law enforcement to get a foot in the door. One of the most significant evolutions we're predicting for 2026 is the concept of the life kit. This isn't just about selling a stolen credit card number or a social security number anymore. A life kit is a comprehensive, bundled identity package. Imagine getting a person's entire digital and physical existence in one neat file. This includes their full name, date of birth, address history, financial records, medical history, social media logins, and even digitally forged documents like driver's licenses and passports. These kits are curated and sold for a premium. They're not for petty scammers. They're for sophisticated criminals planning long-term identity theft, major financial fraud, or even crossing borders under a false identity. The level of detail is staggering. The seller might even include tips on how to mimic the victim's online behavior to avoid suspicion. It's a chillingly complete package that turns a person's life into a marketable commodity. This shift from selling individual pieces of data to selling a complete persona represents a major escalation in the threat of identity theft. Now let's talk about the engine driving so much of this change: artificial intelligence. By 2026, AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful weapon in the hands of cybercriminals. The most terrifying development in this space is the rise of AI crypto drainers. In the past, draining someone's crypto wallet required tricking them into signing a malicious transaction. It was a manual, often clumsy process. The new generation of AI crypto drainers is autonomous. These aren't just simple scripts. They are intelligent agents. Once deployed perhaps through a compromised DApp or a phishing link, they can analyze a victim's wallet, identify all connected assets across different blockchains, and execute a series of complex transactions to siphon everything of value in seconds. They can even adapt to security measures in real time, finding new exploits on the fly. This isn't just theft. It's a high-speed, automated financial assault. The speed and efficiency of these AI drainers mean that by the time you realize something is wrong, your digital assets are long gone, laundered through a dozen mixers and scattered across the blockchain. Another fascinating trend is the migration of cybercrime communication. For a while, platforms like Telegram became the go-to place for criminal communities. They were easy to use, offered some level of encryption, and allowed for large groups. But just like the open marketplaces, they became too popular for their own good. Law enforcement and security researchers got very skilled at monitoring these channels, gathering intelligence, and identifying key players. So, in 2026, we're seeing a great migration. Criminals are abandoning semi-public platforms like Telegram and moving back to the deeper, more secure layers of the web. They are utilizing custom-built, end-to-end encrypted messaging applications that run on private, decentralized networks. These platforms are designed from the ground up for anonymity and security. They often require specific hardware or software to access, and their decentralized nature means there's no central server to shut down. Taking down one node does nothing. The network just routes around it. This move makes tracking and disrupting their communications a monumental challenge for authorities. This brings us to the core conflict of the 2026 dark web, the ever-intensifying cat-and-mouse game between global law enforcement and these new, highly resilient criminal networks. Law enforcement agencies are not standing still. They are also leveraging AI for threat detection, developing advanced blockchain analysis tools to trace crypto transactions, and forming international task forces to share intelligence like never before. They are fighting fire with fire. But the criminals have the advantage of agility. They are not bound by jurisdiction, regulations, or ethics. Their decentralized structure is their greatest strength. When one group is taken down, two more can spring up to take its place. The networks are designed to be leaderless and fluid, making it nearly impossible to deliver a knockout blow. For every advanced decryption method developed by an agency, a new, more complex encryption standard is created by the criminal underground. For every seized server, there are 100 decentralized nodes that remain untouched. It's a perpetual arms race. The authorities might win a battle, like taking down a specific life kit vendor or seizing a crypto drainer's assets, but the war rages on. The very nature of decentralization means that as long as there is demand for illicit goods and services, the supply network will find a way to survive, adapt, and thrive in the shadows. So what does this all mean for the average person? It means that the threats evolving on the dark web have a very real impact on our world. The rise of life kits makes robust personal cybersecurity more critical than ever. We're talking about using unique, complex passwords for everything, enabling two-factor authentication on every account, and being incredibly skeptical of unsolicited messages or links. The threat is no longer just about losing your credit card number. It's about losing your entire identity. The proliferation of AI-driven crypto drainers means that anyone involved in the world of digital assets needs to be hyper-vigilant. It's crucial to use hardware wallets for significant holdings, triple-check every transaction you sign, and interact only with reputable, well-audited platforms. The speed of these attacks leaves no room for error. In conclusion, the dark web of 2026 is a far cry from the chaotic markets of the past. It's becoming smarter, more exclusive, and more resilient. The move to invite-only communities, the commodification of entire identities through life kits, the weaponization of AI for financial theft, and the migration to custom-built encrypted platforms all point to a more sophisticated and dangerous digital underworld. The cat-and-mouse game between criminals and law enforcement will only become more intense and technologically advanced. While we may not browse these hidden corners of the web ourselves, the ripples from this hidden world will continue to affect our own, reminding us that in the digital age, security and vigilance are not just recommendations, they are essentials for survival. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration into the future of the dark web. It's a complex and ever-changing topic, and we've only scratched the surface today. If you found this video insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology and security. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.